Hello everyone. I'm Yue Emily. Today I invite my supervisor to talk about something very interesting. So this is my professor, this is my supervisor, Professor Robert Mann from University of Waterloo.
How do you do?
How do you do? So could you please share something interesting like how you keep your energy every day? And for example, do you exercise regularly?
Well, I think one of the ways I do keep up my energy daily is I do exercise every day
Mm-hmm.
whenever I am able to. If I'm traveling long distances, I can't. But I do that. I do a regular set of push ups, of sit ups, of weight lifting, of stretching exercises. And I try to do 20 minutes on a bicycle machine every day. I used to go running every day, but I feel now that that is difficult on the joints, particularly the knees. So on a
Mm-hmm.
bicycle machine, you don't have the bouncing on the pavement. But I try to do that. It takes me typically 45 to 50 minutes. I do it in the morning to get it done at the beginning of the day. Not everybody likes to do
Mm-hmm.
exercising then, but I do find it helps keep up my energy level. That's not the only thing. I try to get a good night's sleep every
Mm-hmm.
night. I find sleep very important. Sometimes that's not always possible, but I notice when I get less sleep than normal, I don't concentrate as much.
Mm-hmm.
I don't work as efficiently.
Mm-hmm.
And another way I keep my energy is I try to eat uh, healthy foods.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a vegetarian, but I tend to stay away from foods that are highly fatty
Mm-hmm.
or too sugary. I do have some sugar and some fat. I think some is necessary, but you need to discipline yourself.
And regarding the push-up, how many push-ups did you do in the morning?
Well, this morning I did 188.
So that's
Two sets of I did one set of 92 and one set of 96.
a your number.
That's usually what I do, something in that area. Yes,
And
that's
how
correct.
heavy do you lift the?
Well, I have right now, since I'm visiting China, I don't have access to weights. I use a rubber stretcher
Mm-hmm.
that does it, but I lift two 12-kilogram weights in a
Mm-hmm.
variety of muscle exercises.
I see. So do you think exercise is helpful to study physics?
Indirectly, yes, I think exercise is helpful for many things in life.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, it does take mental discipline to do it because the human body, being what it is, naturally likes to be lazy, and I am no different from other people. It took me time to build up to the exercise level that I have now, but what I found most important is to do it every day and not skip a day or two unless it's absolutely necessary. For example, if I'm
Yes.
flying on a plane, that does take discipline and work. But if you set a time every day and
Mm-hmm.
do it and keep at it, then I find over a month or two, you'll find that you're used to doing it. And in fact,
Mm-hmm.
you'll miss not doing it.
Yes.
But in terms of its benefits, it does, I think, improve concentration. It makes you enjoy the other things in life more because you have the energy to do it.
Yes. Correct. So I heard you sing a song about yesterday. So could you please share a physics song that you enjoy?
Well, I quite like this channel called Acapella Science. It's made by a guy that takes popular songs and turns them into uh, various aspects of science, not just physics, but also chemistry and biology. One of my favorites is called Entropic Time, which is to the tune of the Billy Joel song For the Longest Time. And in the entire song, he sings about how there is an arrow the thermodynamic arrow of entropic time. So he sings it forwards, but everything in the video happens backwards. So I would very much encourage any of you, if you haven't seen it, to take a look at it. It's a very good video.
Would you mind saying it now?
Singing that song, well, I'm a bit worried about copyright. I once made up my own physics rap.
Okay.
I could do that one. I did this for undergrad students, and it goes something like this. You're in this subject, and we call it physics. It's not like English, biology, or civics. No, you got to solve equations, and you better do it right. If you don't learn the tricks, you'll be up all night solving problems that we give you, and you know you're going to get them, so you better pay attention, or soon you'll regret it.
That's very interesting. Thank you so much.
So there you go. Physics should be a little bit of fun, right?
Physics is a game.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.
Bye bye.